Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Surfacing course. In this lecture, we're gonna show how to use a tool Revolved Surface. To use tool Revolved Surface, we need at least one axis and at least one line. Here we have axis 1 and axis 2, and we have one spline. So we're gonna use this spline to create cylindrical surface around those axes. So let's go here to Surfaces tab and let's choose Revolved Surface. So first we have to choose our sketch. So let's choose this spline. And now we have to choose here our axis of revolution. So let's choose first one, this axis, like this. And now as we see, we got this result, and we got this cylindrical surface with 360 degrees. We can change this angle, for example, to 50 degrees. And now we got something like this. We can also go to direction 2, and we can go 50 degrees to another direction, or we can go 90 degrees to other direction. Or we can just simply click on this arrow, and we can drag this arrow here and here, like this. Let's uncheck direction 2. Let's click here, axis of revolution. Let's choose this axis here. Let's go with 360 degrees. And now we got something like this, which is different than previous surface by only changing the axis of revolution. So we can change here and here, and now we can see the different form of our surface only by changing the axis of revolution. We don't change the sketch, we have the same sketch. And we can also go here to direction 2. We can go here to 60. And we can go here to 50, like this. And now we can click here, axis of revolution. And we can change the axis to get a different surface. Let's uncheck direction 2. Let's go with 360. And let's choose this axis, like this. And let's click OK. So this is the simple way how we can use Revolved Surface by only using one spline and one axis. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.